Hello everyone! The fourth video in the Coding Spencer series is here. The matrix board on your Spencer can be used to draw a variety of shapes, so let's see how we can do that. We'll make two functions. One of them will be called drawBackground, and we will use it to clear the background and draw two crossing lines in the middle of the matrix. The other one will be called showRectangle, and it will be used to draw a rectangle. In the drawBackground function, we first want to clear the background. We'll need the fillFrameWithZero block for this. Now let's draw the first line. The block for drawing a line can be found in the matrix block section. Type in the coordinates like shown here and set the intensity to 100. Let's draw the second line now. You can just duplicate this last block and type in the coordinates like shown here. Don't forget to include the pushFrameToMatrix block at the end. Great! Now let's move on to the other function. Find the drawOutlinedRectangle block from the matrix block section. Now type in the following coordinates. Once again, remember to include the pushFrameToMatrix block at the end. Let's make these shapes appear in loops one after the other. Find the loopForever block from the loops block section and put both functions inside it like shown here. To create a 1 second delay, add the sleep 1 second block. Now add another drawBackground block and another sleep 1 second block at the end. If your code looks like this, you can click on the Run button. You will see the lines we drew on the matrix and the rectangle appear and disappear with every second. Try using different shapes, coordinates, and time delays to create unique patterns. If you want to put the stock firmware back onto your device, just go here and click on the Restore Firmware button.